Hello everyone. Let's now discuss how can we solve this problem. Trionic array 1. So we are going with an integer array nums of length n. An array is trionic if there exist indices 0 is less than p less than q is less than n minus 1 such that nums 0 to p is strictly increasing, not even is equal to. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 7, 1, 2, 8, something like that. Not something like 1, 2, 2. It should not be there, right? So it should not be equal, it should be strictly increasing. Now, nums p to q is strictly decreasing. Nothing but 10, 8, 5, 3, 2, something like that. Now, nums q to n minus 1 is strictly increasing again. So if you see increasing, decreasing, and then increasing. Return true if nums is trionic, otherwise return false. Let us take this example 1, 3, 5, 4 to 6. So given 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6. As they said, it should be strictly increasing first. Let us say what is the first p. So 1 and then 3. Yes, increasing. 3 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. 4. 1, 3, 5, 4 to 6. 4 is not increasing. So at this moment, I'll stop here and then come to here, right? Now, if you see, this one is strictly decreasing. Okay, 4 is less than 5, and then 2 is less than 4. Then I went 6, and it is not strictly decreasing. But if I break here, it is strictly increasing. Now, it is a trionic array. Let us take 2, 1, 3. Let's take this example 2, 1, 3. Now, let's take the first example. 1. Is it greater than 2? No. Let me tell you, if the size is lesser than 4, we'll just return false there itself. So we'll just take I, which will be equal to 1, and while I is less than n, uh, I'll just go with I plus plus I is less than n, and firstly, array or sorry, nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. The same thing will be repeated here when increasing, right? Now, while I is less than n and nums of I is lesser than nums of I minus 1, right? So I'll just increment my I, and if I is equal to n, we'll just return false there itself. And if I is equal to n, return false there itself. So that's how we solve this problem, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. At the last, I should be equal to n. So thanks for watching this video.